Hey guys, it's your girl BrianaIyana. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone a long while, just give me my crown, I'm the inconsistent queen, but I'm here. It's been too long that I haven't filmed a video, so I'm like, let me just go and film this video, basically embarrass myself on the internet and have you guys enjoy my pain. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can tell by the title, I will be reacting to my old photos. So before we get into the video, please like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you're notified once in a blue moon when I do post. I need to change that. I'm working on it, just give me a second. But yeah, so you guys are gonna watch me embarrass myself. Also, I did film myself installing this wig, so I don't know which video I'm gonna post first, if I'm gonna post this video, or if you do want to see the video of this install, I'm gonna post this video first, and then you guys comment below or let me know if you do want to see me installing this wig. So just, you know, let's get into the video. So I have my phone here. I had my friend send me some very old photos of myself. They're so ugly. I'm gonna put them, let me scooch over, I'm gonna put them right here so you guys can see them on the screen. So the first photo I'm gonna show you guys is this one. I think this was at Wilma's barbecue. I don't talk to this girl anymore, but I'm not gonna blur out her face. I think she has a YouTube channel as well. But this is at Wilma's barbecue. Oh my god, look at young Brie. I look so young. Yo, I thought I was the hottest thing with this ugly old fake chain. We did a change color. Oh my god, look at the curls. Ugh. You know, I'm a naturalista now. I did a big chop, so I don't have cream hair anymore. But this is just horrible. Everything is just a no. Ugh. The whole outfit is a no. And I pose, look at the edit. Who edits like this? I look disgusting. But I'm still cute though. Still cute. But yeah, so this is horrible. Then the next picture is when I went to this institution. You know, if you know, you know, it's with school. I'm not saying which school it is. But yeah, I thought I was the hottest girl. Yo, if your picture never colored, you never dare say no. You never dare say nothing at all. But yeah, I'm sorting at but I put flowers in my ear. Who am I? Who am I? But yeah. Oh, I kind of miss this school and I miss the memories. Oh, such a good school. Anyways, this is when Brie was turning a hot girl. The hot girl was becoming, it was loading. You get me? Yo, I couldn't even shave my arm. You can see the hair under my arm. Eyebrows well shaved. Who shave them eyebrow no more? But yeah. Oh, I have nails. Ear in a ponytail. Yo, this, I remember I used to catch up my hair every day, and there was a bald spot in the top of my head because I used to catch up my hair so tight every day. It was crazy. But this is hot girl Brie. You know, I'm never so bad. And here's another picture. I guess this was in Snapchat. Yeah, I posted this on Snapchat trying to show my little boob. This is cringe. This is so cringe. What is this? Oh my god. And then this next picture, I think I posted this picture on Facebook. I don't think Instagram was around at this time. And I used to spell my name with E-Y instead of I, because my mom told me that's how she wanted to spell my name, but she didn't get to. And I was so obsessed. Everybody thought that's how my name was spelled. But yeah, what is this? You can barely see my face. I can bet you that I never have a front facing camera, so I was turning it. I was using the back of the phone to take the picture. Not cute. Not cute at all. The next picture, this is when I had moved to America. So I was in my winter jacket. Yo, guys, I put on at least 100 pounds when I moved here because I just feel like food did a runway. I was disgusting. The pictures are coming up are so horrible. But why did I even post this? Look at my eyebrows. Look at my face. I look like a big old pumpkin. Ah, this is not cute. So the next picture was when I think I was at my heaviest weight. And you see all 98 at Uno, well like the picture yeah, Uno want go ill because look, the wig did stay good. You see my natural hair. My makeup not do good. I'm big and fat and odious. Not fat shaming, but you know, that's just how I feel about myself in that time. This is just horrible. All 98 of these people need to be locked up because why don't I like the picture? My don't look good. Wanna disgusting. Also, follow my Instagram. I'm gonna link it here and I'm gonna leave it in the description as well. So make sure you follow my Instagram. And next picture, oh lord, me and this wig thing. Guys, I could have slayed my wig at this time. Oh my god, Tatiana commented model as fuck. Tati, you go L because look how I'm disgusting. But my edges, you can see me ear, the wig never lay down. The makeup, my makeup not look too bad, but the lighting was off. My face and my body was two different color. Like, why would I do this to myself? That was a horrible period. Oh my god. This picture, I think I was at my cousin's house trying to show the cleavage again. Who do I think I am? Trying to show cleavage again. I don't know who I thought I was, because that's it wasn't it. It wasn't it. Watch out. I don't know what did I have a sewing or was it like synthetic hair or something? Because why did my face like this? Like I'm trying to frown or something. Yeah, this is so ugly. Like I'm embarrassed. I'm very embarrassed. So the next picture, I think I was living in America at this point as well. I wanted to show off my tattoo, I guess. What my there stifle, you know, come here try to soak in the belly. I never did a workout. Here I can still some have a gut. But no, pierce nose and piercing. Oh my god. Look at little old Brie. So this picture, this is like actually a good picture. I really like this picture because this was the first time I got my makeup done. I think I've only got my makeup done twice. First time I got my makeup done. And Kamali, I'm calling you out because this was for your birthday. I'm gonna end up, I forgot my wife after makeup because we're never gonna away. But yeah, my makeup was nice. I think Ash Beauty Studio did this. I think she's still popular in Jamaica. I got braids done. This time, oops, I wear. Damn, I was feeling myself. I was really feeling myself. Yeah, this is a good picture. I had to slip a cute one in there. This one, I think this was my birthday. I think I was turning 16 in this picture. Who let me out the house with my belly out the door like this? Like, why am I trying to force myself to have a flat belly? Go work out, sis, because this is not it. This is not it. Like, look how my belly big. I'm a Avan. That skirt, yeah. This is the infamous skirt. Guys, if you used to go to Walmart with me, want to know what this skirt is, and you must remember this. And I must remember that thing on Snapchat. But yeah, damn. Who do I think I am? Yo, I was trying to suck in my belly for the life of me, you know. For the life of me, I was sucking in my belly, and my belly still wouldn't look flat. Womp womp womp. Who the fuck do I think I am? Look at this picture. Ew, I'm still trying to suck in my belly here. La, look at my edges. When I see my edges, they were non-existent. Oh my god, this was before box braids was a thing. Oh, I used to hate this. Oh god, my poor edges. That's probably why I'm not have none now. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I guess. I don't know why I posted that. But yeah, guys, so that's all the pictures I have to show you to embarrass myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try and stay consistent. I know I keep promising this, but life happens and I can't put on a show for YouTube. You know, my life have to happen. I have to sort stuff out before I can come here and like try to be the jovial person that I am on YouTube. So I would like you guys to leave video ideas down below because I'm at a blank and I ordered a wig to do a wig video. The wig hasn't come yet, so it's just a stressful time, but I will be posting more. I have a lot of content that I'm recording today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like the video, comment video ideas down below, and thank you for watching the video, and have a good day, guys.